Gyan Sagar Educational Group presents eSchool.
Today we are going to learn that create a data frame from a list of dictionaries. List of dictionaries से data frame कैसे create की जाती है ये हम लोग सीखेंगे. Okay. So list of dictionaries can be passed as an input data to create a data frame. See the example. Import pandas as PD. Data is a variable. Data has two types of dictionary. The first one has two keys and their values, and the second one has three keys and their values. Okay. So df again is a variable equals to pd.dataFrame. In bracket we are taking data as input and print df. Okay. So what is the output? The output is, see the index value 0 and 1. The column label are A, B and C. These are the keys of our dictionary, and A's value, B's value and C's value. Okay. See here, observe none. None is not a number because there is no value. In first dictionary we are not declaring the C key, so there is no value. Okay. Now taking the second example. Create a data frame by passing a list of dictionaries and the row index. Okay. So again the same example, pd.dataFrame, taking input is data and we are declaring index first and second. So what is the output of that program? See the index first and second, and in previous program the index is 0 and 1. Now A, B and C. Okay. So what is the difference between first program and second program? That the index value. Okay. In first program we are not declaring the index. So by default indexing are 0 and 1, and now we are declaring the index first and second. So it shows first and second are index value. Okay. Now third example, create data frame with a list of dictionaries, but now we are declaring the labels of index as well as labels of column. Okay. See the output of that program is the first and second, these are the index value, and A and B, these are the column labels. Okay. Now in Spider we are creating that program. Now we are going to understand that column selection, column addition and column deletion through examples. Okay. Let us take column selection first. See the example, import pandas as PD. Now D is a variable. D has 1 is a column label. 1 में हमने क्या पास किया है? pd.series 1 2 3 and the index is A, B, C. Now 2 pd.series 1 2 3 4 and index A, B, C, D. So 1 में क्या है? 3 values है and their index value, and 2 में 4 values है and their index value. Okay. Now df is a variable. Df equals to pd.dataFrame. We are going to pass the D. Now print df, print 1. Okay. So what is the output? See the output of that program. Only first list. Okay. See the output is A1, B2, C3 and D none. Okay. So name is 1 and data type is float 63. Now column addition. See the example of column addition, that import pandas as PD, D equals to 1 and 2 pd.series and their index is. Now we adding a column. See, adding a column, that 3. We have 1 and 2 and now we are adding the column 3 pd.series. The values are 10, 20 and 30 and the index is A, B, C. Okay. Now print df. So adding a new column using the existing column in data frame, now we are adding 3. After that we are adding 4 df1 plus df3. So df1 and df3 we are adding these values. Now print df. So the output is, see, 1 2 3. The first output is 1 2 and adding that third column. Now 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 we are adding 1 and 3. So 4 has values of the 1 and 3. 1 and 10 equals to 11. 2 plus 20 equals to 22 and 3 plus 30 equals to 33. So we are adding a new column by passing as a series and adding new column using the existing columns. Okay, that is the column addition. Now the same program creating in Spider. See, import pandas as pd. D में हमने पास किए 2 डिक्शनरीज, that 2 series. That first one is pd dot series 1 2 3 and second is 2 pd dot series 1 2 3 4 and their indexes value. Okay. Now df equals to pd dot data frame. We pass d. D is the variable of data frame. Okay. Now adding a new column by passing as a series. So we are adding the column 3 and pd dot series 10 20 30 index a b c. These are the values of 3. Now print df. Okay. And next we are adding a new column using the existing column. So we are taking 4 and add 1 and 3 both the columns. Okay. Now what is the output of that program? See, the output of that program is, see, adding a new column 1 and 2, they are the existing column, and 3 is adding column. Now adding a new column using existing column. So 1 2 and 3 and 4 is new column. Okay. So this is the program in Spider. Now column deletion. Columns can be deleted or popped. Let us take an example. See, import pandas as pd. So we are having 3 series 1 2 and 3 and their indexes and their values, and print our data frame is, now print deleting the first column using del function. So we are using del function, del df1. So delete फंक्शन जो है ये क्या परफॉर्म करेगा, डेटा फ्रेम में से 1 कॉलम जो है उसे डिलीट कर देगा. एंड यूजिंग पॉप फंक्शन, सो प्रिंट डिलीटिंग अनदर कॉलम यूजिंग पॉप फंक्शन. सो डेटा फ्रेम df डॉट पॉप. ओके, सो पॉप फंक्शन भी क्या करेगा, एक कॉलम डिलीट कर देगा. सो व्हाट इज द आउटपुट ऑफ दैट प्रोग्राम? See the first output, our data frame is 1 3, okay, and 2. Now deleting the first column using del function. So we are deleting 1, so 3 and 2, there are 2 columns. Now deleting with pop function, so we are deleting 2, so rest of the column is 3 which is displaying. Okay. See the same program in Spider. Import pandas as pd. Now d is a variable, that 1 2 3 series of pandas, their indexes and their values are there. Now df equals to pd dot data frame d. Okay. Now print our data frame is, so ये क्या करेगा, हमारी डेटा फ्रेम को प्रिंट करेगा as it is 1 2 and 3. Okay. Now print deleting the first column using del function. So जो फर्स्ट कॉलम 1 है वो हम del फंक्शन की हेल्प से डिलीट करेंगे, एंड जो सेकंड कॉलम है 2 वो हम पॉप फंक्शन की हेल्प से डिलीट करेंगे. सो व्हाट इज द आउटपुट ऑफ दैट प्रोग्राम? द आउटपुट इज, सी द आउटपुट इज deleting the first column using del function. So सो हमने वन कॉलम डिलीट कर दिया है एंड डिलीटिंग द अनदर कॉलम यूजिंग पॉप फंक्शन. सो हमने 2 कॉलम जो है वो पॉप फंक्शन की हेल्प से डिलीट कर दिया है एंड प्रीवियसली आउटपुट इज 1, 2 and 3. All 3 columns are there. Okay. So with the help of del function and pop function we are deleting the columns. Okay.